get after it. Right out there. There's 3 on it again. Oh my God, dude, they work this glide so bad. Get a little wolf pack of them. Just little 1-pounders. Gotta force it. All right, boys. Y'all heard it here first. Pink wacky, engaged. I'm gonna catch one on the first cast. Just know it. I told you. Ain't a big one. One of those ones I was telling you about. One of the ones that's probably following the glide up every time. See you, buddy. People say, oh, you like pink baits too much. Buddy, I catch too many damn fish on them not to like them. Another one. I'm telling you, this point's loaded. Damn. Boy was wiggling for real. See you, buddy. Hate all y'all want. Pink worm is him.